It's really easy to take care of your sleep crown pillow, but there's a few things that you need to know. Hi, I'm Andrea Abenoza-Filardi. I'm a holistic health practitioner, and this is how you take care of your sleep crown pillow properly. It's really important that you don't wash the whole pillow in your washing machine because the fill does not like to get wet. So first, you're gonna wanna remove the outer pillowcase. You just slip it out, and here's the second pillowcase. You wanna locate the zipper at the top, unzip it, and pull out the inner portion of the sleep crown pillow. You don't want to wash this inner portion because the fill is very, very delicate. So you're gonna wanna wash these two pillowcases, the outer pillowcase and the middle layer, and you're gonna wash it on delicate. And you're also gonna wanna dry it on delicate. Or sometimes I like to just hang mine out to air dry. So when your pillowcases are dry, it's really, really important that you match up the curves on the pillow to the curves on your pillowcase. This is the outer jacket. I like to call it the second pillowcase, and it has this little loop, and that's how I remember. And it also has a zipper on the top. I take one of the curvature parts and match it up. I take the second one and I match it up, stuff the rest in, shake it, close the zipper, and then I match up my pillowcase. Again, that's the one with the slit on the side. I match up the curve, take that bottom curve, put it in, take the second curve, match it up. I just make sure everything's lined up. It's really easy to take care of your sleep crown pillow, and once it's clean, you're ready to keep using it.